Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can turn off the vibration at the Redmi Note 14 5G. And I think you've realized it already, even if you have muted your phone, you're still having vibration for notifications and incoming messages and so on. Let me show you how you can stop it. For that, just tap here on the settings. Then you need to go to the point sound and vibration. And a bit below you will find the point vibrate. And here you can disable vibrate for calls, vibrate in silent mode, and then the phone is completely muted. If you want to remove as well the haptic feedback, then you need to turn off also this point here, vibrate on tap. And tap here then on off, and then the phone is completely muted for vibrations. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.